Welcome. Today we are going to describe the characteristics of false prophets in the Old Testament. Then we state the teachings of Prophet Amos about the day of the Lord. And lastly, we look at how can Christians assist the church leaders to perform their duties effectively. Characteristics of false prophets in the Old Testament. They asked for payment for their services, or rather, their services was for material gains. They were self-appointed. That is, they had no call from God. Their prophecies were not fulfilled. They spoke what the people wanted to hear, or rather, you can just say they wanted to please the people. They raised false confidence among the people. They did not speak with authority when challenged. They spoke about doctrines that were contrary to the covenant, or rather, you can just say they spoke about teachings that were contrary to the covenant way of life. Their lives were not exemplary. That is, they were hypocrites. They wanted favors from the kings. They were not ready to suffer for the truth. And lastly, they undermined the work of the true prophets. Teachings of Prophet Amos about the day of the Lord. It will be a day of terror and disaster. God will punish the Israelites for their disobedience. That is, He will remember their evil deeds. The land shall tremble. That is whereby people say there will be earthquakes. People will mourn. That is, there will be no happiness. There will be darkness at noon. The festivals and feasts will not be joyful. People will hunger for the word of God, or rather, you can just say they will thirst for the word of God. People will faint in the process of searching for the word of God. It will be a day of disappointment to the Israelites. The wicked will not escape God's judgment. How Christians assist the church leaders to perform their duties effectively. Giving financial help, or rather, you can just say giving material help, advising them on various issues, that is, counseling them on various issues, encouraging them in their work, participating fully in church activities, or rather, you can just say participating fully in functions, giving tithes and offerings faithfully, praying for them, respecting them, practicing the word of God, or you can say obeying the word of God, defending them against unfair criticism, and lastly, providing training opportunities for them. Did you understand? Kindly let me know in the comment section below and what video I can look at tomorrow. Thanks a lot for subscribing and listening to me. God bless you.